Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.